Let's go! We got huge pumps in Bitcoin as Tesla are now about to start accepting Bitcoin again. And also, Twitter may start to use Bitcoin as a tipping service on the actual Twitter platform. So guys, this is stuff you need to pay attention to. But if you're about to jump into a huge long trade here, I am going to tell you something that you should think about right now. So if you're involved in Bitcoin, if you're involved in crypto, this is a video you will want to watch. Welcome back everybody, my name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And yesterday I got so many messages from people who were taking my, not financial advice of course, but they were taking my analysis and they were also themselves realizing that the $30,000 level is indeed a good buy-in level. So a lot of people were buying at this level and they rode this all the way up to the top here. And so today I am going to tell you what to also be cautious about right now. But big congratulations to everyone who rode this from the bottom here at $31,000 up to the top here, because as you know, I was bullish here, but the vast majority of people on YouTube and everywhere else were extremely bearish, calling for us going down to $20,000. Now, we're not out of the woods yet completely, so I will tell you all about that. But before we continue, guys, if you want to work full-time in crypto as a voiceover artist, if you are speaking any of these languages and you're also speaking English very well, then make sure to apply as a voiceover artist. So to go full-time crypto, you got all of the details up in the description here. Follow this link and you will get all of the details. Now let's talk about what we should pay attention to here on Bitcoin. And now please listen to me what I'm saying now, because as you know, I was bullish, short-term bullish here, even as we were going down here towards $30,000. This is where I became even more bullish. The further down we got, the more bullish I became, because I knew that the $30,000 level, this vicinity here with my two red lines and my orange box, was going to be very strong support. So I am never going to be afraid of buying at this level, guys. But here's the thing, now we have had a huge pump. We have gone up by 30% here. And now you need to separate my long-term view from my short-term view. And short-term, I am now becoming more cautious, just like previously when we have been buying down here and getting up here, when we've been getting up into my second orange box here, I am becoming more cautious because this is massive overhead resistance. So I would not jump into a trade right now until we break $42,000. Now I'm still going to maintain that if we get down again here to $30,000, I am still going to be a buyer. I'm still going to be bullish. In fact, if you watched my video yesterday, I revealed my exact buy-in levels I am going to buy at if we get down again to these levels. You got all of my buy orders ready here on Femex. So if we get down again, I think that I am going to make a good play here and fill this trade and then ride it up to the upside. And also at the same time, I'm of course buying to my hodl position. So you need to separate the hodl position from your trading position. And what I'm watching here and what I'm doing here on Femex, this is not something to hodl. This is just a trade and then filling the bag as we're getting down here and then taking profit as we're getting up to $42,000. So long-term bullish on Bitcoin, mid-term bullish on Bitcoin, short-term cautious right now on Bitcoin because we're approaching this level. But once we get down here to $30,000, again, if you do that, as you know, I've also been saying that there's a good chance that this was actually the bottom here at $30,000. And yeah, short term, if we get down here, I'm going to be bullish again, but right now a bit cautious. And why am I that apart from this resistance? Well, if we take away this and we take over, or we put on the moving averages, I want to show you this. So right now we are still below. We did get above the 50 and the 100 period moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, but the 200 period moving average on the 4-hourly chart, we are still not. I mean, right now we are right under it. So we need to get above. You can see that we got rejected 1-2 times here as well. And on the daily time frame, things are looking like this. We are not yet above any of these significant moving averages. So we actually had a kind of sharp pullback here. So on the daily time frame, I will want us to get above this level. And look, as a kind of more cautionary sign, this is also now aligning with the red box here and the red line and the orange box. So this is going to be right above this level here. So this whole cluster is going to be very dangerous. All right, so let's get back to the 4-hourly time frame because I want to show you something else. So on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that yesterday we actually, this is interesting. So we got rejected by my orange box here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Got below here, got supported here, got rejected by my blue line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Huge pump right into the edge of the orange box. And now we are being supported 3 times here on the edge of my orange box. So this is going to be interesting today to see what actually happens here. Are we going to be able to break $42,000? Well, as you know, I am going to urge everyone to be very cautious right now. Looking at the Lux Algo, if we flip on the Lux Algo, it's looking like this. This actually did give us a buy signal right here. So this is a profitable signal. But on the 15-minute, the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, not the daily, we are bullish according to the Lux Algo. But again, this buy signal, I would probably be very cautious buying into that as well, just because, look, we got the big overhead resistance right here. So yeah, be cautious in general, but long term, short term, this is a completely different matter. Long-term, mid-term, I'm bullish. Short-term, be cautious around $42,000. Bitcoin dominance, and before we talk about Twitter and we talk about Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk even, the Bitcoin dominance is strengthening. So this is also what we've been anticipating, that Bitcoin is going to outperform altcoins and Bitcoin is going to outperform the majority of the altcoin market. But then you are able to find some specific altcoins which are going to be extremely profitable. And as always, I am going to share those picks with you on my channel. So if you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell. And also, of course, if you're enjoying the content so far, slap a like on this video. If you want to start trading yourself, you're able to get a $1,610 for free over on Bybit. Also, Femex, $200. So make sure to use these links if you want to do some trading and also support the channel. But be careful when trading with leverage. So Elon Musk is about to potentially have Tesla accept Bitcoin again. And so this was an article talking about Elon Musk and Tesla. And so he replied to this article on Twitter saying this is inaccurate. Tesla only sold 10% of holdings to confirm Bitcoin could be liquidated easily without moving the market. When there's confirmation of reasonable 50% about clean energy usage by miners with positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. So this, of course, had a lot to do with why we saw this big pump yesterday. But that's not all, because also this was posted by Jack Dorsey. And so this was actually a reply to a comment. And this guy, Deonte, said, "Stream sats, build Lightning Network into Blue Sky or Twitter, please, and thank you." And Jack said, "Only a matter of time." So what does this mean? Well, the Lightning Network is a side chain to Bitcoin because, as you know, if you were to use Bitcoin on Twitter, the fees are too big. If you're going to tip creators with Bitcoin on Twitter, the fees are too big, the transaction times are too slow, etc., etc. But what we do have is the Lightning Network on Bitcoin. It's not used that much today, guys. It's not used that much, but it's actually a side chain in which you can actually bypass these disadvantages. So you can make micro transactions fast and cheap. And so this is alluding to him potentially allowing that on Twitter in only a matter of time. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.